Hello, what's up guys? This is Axel from How to Teach X Iceland with the first video of a series on Icelandic grammar. This time, personal pronouns. So, personal pronouns refer to people, animals, objects or concepts. And in singular we have first person, ég. Second person, þú. Third person, hann, hún, or það. In plural, we have við, þið, and depending on male, female, or mixed, þeir, þær, or þau. Now, some examples should clear this up. My name is Andrea would be ég heiti Andrea. Your name is Tom. Þú heitir Tom. Her name is Ása. Hún heitir Ása. His name is John or Jón. His name is Jón. Hann heitir Jón. Our names are Andrea and Tom. Við heitum Andrea og Tom. Your names are Ása and Jón. Þið heitið Ása og Jón. Now, this is important. Their names are Andrea and Ása. So, we would say for the third person plural, for two females, þær heita Andrea og Ása. If there are two males, we use þeir heita, for example, Tom og Jón. If there are two genders, so the group is mixed, we would say þau heita, for example, Tom og Ása. Now, before we dive into more examples, one thing is important to remember. In Icelandic, a noun denoting an object can have any gender. So the personal pronouns hann and hún can also be used to refer to animals or objects. For example, this is a shirt. I'm wearing a shirt under. We would say þetta bolur. Blár bolur. Shirt is masculine in Icelandic. Therefore, we would say he looks good. Hann fallegur. He, the shirt. Sounds quite weird, right? Now, another example. I'm wearing this fancy sweater here. This sweater is peysa. Þetta peysa. Peysa, sweater, is feminine in Icelandic. So we would say, and I hope you're with me on this one, she looks good. Þetta falleg peysa. Hún falleg. So, she looks good. Hún falleg. Now, third example, this is a belt. Þetta belti. Belti, belt, is a neutral term, so we say it looks good. Það fallegt. It actually has a United States coat of arms on it. Alright, let's see what you can remember. Look at the following examples, fill in the blanks. Feel free to pause the video and we will have a look at the solutions in a second. Alright, now let's see what you remember. The first one is, as we have in brackets, first person singular as ég heiti Jón. Second one, third person singular, Sveinbjörg is a female name, so we would say hún heitir Sveinbjörg. Guðmundur is a male name, we need the second person singular, so we would say þú heitir Guðmundur. Sandra og Pétur, Sandra is female, Pétur is male, first person plural, við heitum Sandra og Pétur. Then we have the third person plural, Gísli og Pétur. Gísli is a male name, Pétur we already know also, so we have þeir. Þeir heita Gísli og Pétur. Again, third person plural with Jóhanna and Laura. Of course, two female names, and we have þær. Þær heita Jóhanna og Laura. Then, the last example, third person plural again, but we have two mixed names, Laura and Pétur. Then we would say þau heita Laura og Pétur. Alright, I think this was quite confusing for some of you, so I want to say vel gert, very well done still. Feel free to watch the video again. Hvað heitir þú? Tell me in the comments. Like and subscribe if you found the video helpful, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications to never miss a video of us again. See you in the next one. Bye bye!